Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
Hey folks, how you doing today? So another beautiful safe just came out of the full restoration shop. We have probably done 20 or 30 safes. They sell very well. They're very popular. And you know, there's just something about a safe. It's almost like a gun or one of the vices. It's when you go into your home and you see a safe, say, wow, a safe. They just have a really great appeal because what's in that safe? So these sell very well. This just came out of the full restoration. As you see, it's absolutely beautiful. Everything is plated. I'll show you the inside in a moment. Most guys do these in Wells Fargo. I've done a ton of them in Wells Fargo. I just got tired of doing Wells Fargo. Man, let's do something different. So I came up with this theme, Golden Nugget Gambling Hall and Saloon, Las Vegas, Nevada, It was established in '05. This is all gold leaf, okay? So it's all real gold leaf. Then I have my striper come in and do a two-tone pinstriping job on it, which is some purple and this kind of like neon blue, which really pops, is very nice. A lot of people will use these as end tables. They'll put them at the end, or coffee tables or whatsoever. You can cut a piece of glass and put on there and put something else on there as well. Super, super nice. Striped inside. Nice black carpet. It's got the original drawer, and it has the original lock and key up here for the door. And that's where they would put, you know, there would be a lot of safes were primarily used for fireproofing back in the day, and documents as much as money. So, you know, back in the early days, the towns were all wood, and if the town burned down or your building burned down, what was going to take care of your paperwork, your trust deeds, your bank notes, etc.? That's what these were primarily for, as well as taking care of currency and coin. So the big money would have went up here, the gold and stuff. They would have kept paperwork in here. So they were really used for security, and more than all for fireproofing. The safe, well, clearly we got the combination. What's going to happen when you receive this safe is I'm going to have a piece of tape on here. It's going to be locked, but it's not going to be spun off. You'll receive the safe in that position. When you get it, you are going to take the door open. You'll just open it, not turning the cylinder. Then you are going to practice, okay? Open it 4 or 5 times with the door open so that you get used to it. Because a lot of guys will get these, they'll lock them, and then all of a sudden oh my God, it won't open. I got you, I understand, calm down. You just have to try it again. These are old safes. Everything is correct in there. But you just got to take your time. Don't spin them too fast, okay? You got to go slow with them, and they work just fabulous. Anyway, beautiful little safe. This will get crated and shipped. You know, you can't ship this with UPS or FedEx or any of them people. So it'll go next door to our professional crating company. It will get boxed up and crated up, and it will be shipped to your door. They will drop it off in your garage or driveway. You'll unbox it, put it in the house, and enjoy your safe. Listen, I want to thank everybody for watching our videos. We get some fabulous response. We've been at this now for about 7 years. If you'll just hit the ring button on Instagram or YouTube, you can follow us. It'll pop right up. We got some great content. If Jeff has informed me as of lately that we've done about 1,600 videos. So if you're looking for some great content and understand what we do in gaming and coin op and all of this fun stuff, check it out. We got a lot of stuff just sitting out there. Look at it and enjoy. And thanks for watching this video. So we really want to tell you we appreciate you watching our videos. We've done about 1,600 of them to date, and you guys respond very nicely to it, and we really appreciate it. So if you like them, man, smash the subscribe button, right? Boom, hit the subscribe button and click on the reminder button, and if you do that, you will get reminded. There's a little bell there. Click on that. What we'd like you to do is make comments, and please make sure you share it with your friends. You guys are taking us to the top of the YouTube channel, and if you do those 3 things, you'll be able to see us real time, especially if you hit the bell to remind you. It'll come up every time on your phone. We try to do a lot of fun stuff for y'all, and we appreciate you watching our videos. So let's smash it, let's grab it, let's watch them, let's comment, let's send us comments, share it with your friends. If you do that, you'll take us to the top, and we would really appreciate it.
These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.